How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can convert your PNG to SVG in Inkscape. Now, as an example, let's go ahead and grab one image from my system right here. To make things easier, we'll just grab a random PNG image. So let me just go ahead and find one for you real quick. It's going to be this one. And then I'm going to import it by using the drag and drop feature. Now, of course, you want to customize the page properties or the document properties according to your image. Since we're just doing this for example, I'll just go ahead and maximize the document right here. But if you want to do that, just navigate through File, click Document Properties, and you want to make sure that the width and height aligns with your PNG format. Now, if you want to transfer it to SVG, head over to File, click the Export button, and from here, below your screen, you have the file selection. So just click on this drop-down menu, select the plain SVG, and from there, you also want to select your file location. Click Export, and basically from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.